Hello, good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and healthy. I, Ajit Singh from Colonel Spratland Public School, will teach you computer of grade 7. So, this is a part 2 video for the chapter 1 number system. So, my dear students, we will continue this chapter. Let's start. Binary number system to decimal number system conversation सीखेंगे आज हम. To convert a binary number into decimal number, follow the steps given on the next page. So multiply each binary number with its positional value. इसकी positional value के साथ multiply करना है, which is terms of powers of 2 and starting from the extreme right digit. So increase the power one by one, keeping the base fixed as 2. So sum of all products get the decimal number. For example, in binary 1010 base 2 and 0 multiplied by 2 की power 0 equal to 0. 1 multiply 2 की power 1, tens equal to 2. 0 multiply 2 की power 2, hundreds equal to 0. 1 multiplied by 2 की power 3, thousands equal to 8. So thus 1010 base की power base 2 equal to 10 की power 10. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल में देखेंगे 1001 base 2. 1 multiply 2 की power 0, 1. 0 multiplied by 2 की power 1 equal to 0. 0 multiplied by 2 की power 2 equal to 0. 1 multiplied by 2 की power 3 equal to 8. So thus 1001 base 2 equal to 9 base 10. तो ये डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करना होता है, इसमें मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं हम. इस वैल्यू को भी देखिए कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल 3, 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 8 plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 7 plus 0 multiplied by 2 raised to power 6 plus 0 multiplied by 2 raised to power 5 plus 0 multiplied by 2 raised to power 4 plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 3 plus 0 multiplied by multiply by 2 raised to power 2, 0 multiply by 2, 0 multiply by 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 multiply by 2 raised to power 0. So 256, 128, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 plus 0, 0 plus 1. 393. अब इस वैल्यू का डेसिमल 393 हो गया है. So students, let's know more. Most of computer operations use the bytes or a multiple of the byte, 16 bits, 24, 32, 64, etc. Hexadecimal makes it easier to write these large binary numbers. Now octal number system. So the octal number systems, oct consists of 8 digits 0 to 7 with the basic base 8. इसका बेस जो होता है वो 8 होता है क्योंकि इसमें 8 digits होती हैं. The concept of octal number system came from the Native Americans as they used to count numbers using the space between their fingers rather than by using their fingers. So 89 base 10 decimal convert to the procedure of octal number decimal conversion similar to binary to decimal conversion. So if we want to convert any octal number to decimal number, so we have to be start multiplying the digits of the number from right hand side with the increasing power of 8 starting from 0, and the finally summing of all the products. For example, so let's look the example of 345 base 8. We have to be convert in decimals. 3 multiplied by 8 raised to power 2, 4 multiplied by 8 raised to power 1, plus 5 multiplied by 8 raised to power 0. 192 plus 32 plus 5 equal to 345 base 8 equal to 229 बेस 10 डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट हो गया. फॉर एग्जांपल 2 देखते हैं. 317 बेस पावर 8, 3 multiplied by 8 raised to power 2 plus 1 multiplied by 8 raised to power 1 plus 7 multiplied by 8 raised to power 0. 192 plus 8 plus 7. So thus 377 octal equal to 207 decimal. Quick quiz for you students. Which number systems has 8 at its base? वो ऑक्टल होता है. हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम को देखते हैं. दिस नंबर सिस्टम्स कंसिस्ट ऑफ 16 डिजिट्स. इसमें 16 डिजिट्स होती हैं 0 to 9 एंड द लेटर्स A to F, वेयर A and F represents the digits 0 to 15 with the base 16. Alright, so this number system is also known as the hex, where the hex equal to 6 and the decimal equal to 10. So it is called the hexadecimal. So the procedure of converting hexadecimal to decimal is similar to the method shown above. The only difference is the change of base. इसके बेस में चेंज होता है 345 ऑक्टल. ठीक है. सो इसे हम हेक्साडेसिमल में 3B लिखेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1 समझ लीजिए. फॉर द एग्जाम्पल 3B है, बेस पावर 16. सो 3 इंटू 16 रेज टू पावर 1 प्लस 11 इंटू 16 रेज टू पावर 0. सो 48 प्लस 11. ऑलराइट, सो हेक्साडेसिमल में 3B है, जो डेसिमल में क्या हो जाएगा 59 बेस पावर 10. For example 2, 4D2 base power 16. So 4 into 16 raised to power 2 plus D into 16 raised to power 1 plus 2 into 16 raised to power 0. So hence देखते हैं 1024 plus 208 plus 2. So 4D2 base power 16 equal to 1. Quick quiz for you. How will you find whether a number is represented in decimal, binary, octal और hexadecimal system? आप कैसे फाइंड आउट करोगे कि ये किसका है? ये आप देखेंगे. क्विज है आपके लिए. कंप्यूटर अर्थमेटिक, इसमें हम सीखेंगे जोड़ना, सब्ट्रैक्ट करना. As a computer understand only the binary code, the data input by user to convert it binary into binary code. This processing may be involve various kinds of arithmetic operations such as a plus, such as addition, subtraction, multiplications and division, etc. or binary numbers. On binary numbers, know the fact for you. 4 bits equal to 1 nibble, 2 nibble equal to 8 bit and 8 bits equal to 1 byte. बाइनरी का एडिशन देखते हैं सबसे पहले. द टेक्निक यूज टू ऐड बाइनरी नंबर्स इनसाइड द कंप्यूटर इज़ वेरी इजी एंड सिंपल. दिस इज़ परफॉर्म्ड इन द सेम वे एज यू परफॉर्म एडिशंस विद द डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम. सो द फॉलोइंग टेबल्स इलस्ट्रेशन दीज एडिशन ऑफ 2 बाइनरी डिजिट्स. इस टेबल को ढंग से देख लीजिए स्टूडेंट्स. 0 प्लस 0 A0 है, B0 है. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. If A is 0, B is 1, so 0 plus 1 equal to 1. If A1 and B0, so 1 plus 0 equal to 1. So 1 A1 B1 A 1 plus 1 equal to 1 0. While adding 1 plus and 1, the output will be 10, whereas 0 is written in under the same column, and carry over 1 is shifted to the next places. It's happened in decimal number additions. Alright students.